They boast about their shining democracies when they are actually running plutocracies. African leaders. African leaders. They're not afraid to boast about their shining democracies when they are actually running plutocracies. African leaders. African leaders. Those with the habit of stealing from the state are so well known for their media hate. Oh yes, they are. Those with the habit of stealing from the state are so well known for their media hate. They stash our money in foreign accounts. After all, they never have to account. They appoint judges to the courts of law, and they are never equal with those below. They are undoubtedly a heartless clan that rules with a ruthless plan. The tax of the masses takes care of their hobbies, their passion, their pets, their pricey suits, their health, their death, their incredible wealth, their bills, their deals, and their plus-size bellies. Those with the habit of stealing from the state are so well known for their media hate. Yes, they are. They own dream homes on distant islands, far away from our prying eyes. They are a clan that has it all. Anything they want, they buy with just a call. Private car, private jet, private island. Plastic smile, plastic boobs, plastic youth. Those with the habit of stealing from the state are so well known for their media hate. They cause more deaths than civil wars. Nations are at the mercy of their evil ways because when they steal our money, our people die. Poor people die from shortage of medicine in hospitals, road accidents from potholes, epidemics feast on the underhoused, those without access to potable water, those voters crowded in the shanty towns, and they feed from the dump sites. Do you believe it? Those with the habits of stealing from the state are so well known for their media hate. Oh yes, they are. They boast about their shining democracies when they're actually running plutocracies where corruption is treated with velvet gloves and the leaders lead to abuse the voters' love. We vote for them to become prime ministers, but they choose to become crime ministers. Those with the habit of stealing from the state are so well known for their media hate, and we call them African leaders. African leaders. Moeteledipele wa motho ke motsadi wa motho o tshwanelwa ke go rata motho reetsa motho direla motho hemela motho swela motho tota motho e seng go tsietsa motho mme o le motho ka motho o tshwarisitswe dipitsa tsa motho dipitsa di apang di dikadike dipitsa di rongwang mathale baapei ba apang ba hilwa ditaelo go te hela nthe baapei pitsa tsa morahi di a golega letswai la tsone le utiwa ka nko ya lesona e seng ka komoji ke bagolo ba ka lela ba re he lanthe baapei a na re jaanong le jala pitsa mo isong rolang pitsa theleta neelwa kgedi re tle re begele morahi re re metsinyana a lona ke a re bega dikidi re le mototo re sena dithong tsa go thobosa moro wa itse re thobosa moro mo Botswana ka gore banna ke ba le ba jetse pitsa a setšhaba mo isong. And we can only say those with the habit of stealing from the state are so well known for their media hate, and we call them African leaders. Thank you.